But we're here, aren't we? That's right. The Super Affiliate Network, in just first 15 weeks, I was able to generate $42,000. Then I got on to becoming the top earners in the Super Affiliate Network. Thank you. We got to travel, different places, Maui, Hawaii, twice. And at the time I was working at Staples, and I remember telling my boss, if I stay at this job, it's costing me money. I said, boss man, let me knock on your door for a minute. I said, listen, I got to talk to you. I can't stay here anymore. It's costing me money. He's like, what are you talking about? I whipped out my cell phone, had my Staples badge on me, and I went, you see that? That's $42,000 right there. Can you pay me that? No, I don't mean annually. I mean monthly. No? Okay, well, I'm out. That's right. So, that's right, man. So I was able to spend more time with my son and give him the most amazing experience of travel. And also, he gets to soak in what you guys are learning today, okay? And you get to work with all kinds of great people, and you guys are great. So what happens when you get a brand new sale? What do you do when you get a brand new sale? Well, I tell you what you're going to do. You're going to follow up. You're going to follow up. You're going to follow up good. Because follow-up isn't an option. It's a necessity. You need to follow up. It's not a choice. It's a necessity. And why is follow-up important? Because it opens up the communication line between you as the sponsor and the new affiliate. Okay? When you provide great customer service, the customer will remember you for the rest of their lives. Builds loyalty. You know who's good at that? And I'll give it up to my girl, Keisha Bass. That's exactly a prime example what you guys should model after is Keisha, how she's been able to build that loyalty with her team. Once trust is established and you are fully aware of your buyer's expectations, the stage is set for you to go back to them with a complementary product. Solo ad success formula, I am profit, okay? You can go back to them and you can actually market that to them. And they won't have a problem saying no because they already bought from you anyway. What did Misha always say? A buyer is always a buyer, right? It makes your customer feel special. And a happy customer is likely to buy more products on the back end where 95% of the profits will come from. Oh, I'm glad I see some pens and papers and writing and everything. Y'all taking some notes? Awesome. Plus, it sets you apart from the competition. If you're not following up, we think is going to get the better result, the ones that do. Buyers who receive regular follow-ups are more likely to upgrade to Pro, Maui, and all-in experience. So step one, let's get connected. Let's get connected with your new buyer. Let's find them. Well, where do they hang out? Where do you get that information from? You can find it in your back office. That's where Misha put it together for you so easily, right? Right there in the back, you'll have their name, their email address, and phone number. And my 3 favorite platforms to search and connect for new buyers: Facebook, Gmail, and Skype. You want to build rapport. Now, this is the most important slide I'm going to share with you guys. Most important. Step 2, build rapport. Dale Carnegie said, you can make more friends in 2 months by becoming interested in other people than you can in 2 years to get other people interested in you. The art of building rapport is the essential key in formulating a good customer relationship, shows that you care about your customer and worth your time as well as deserving of attention. Once trust is established and you are fully aware of your buyer's expectations, the stage is set for you to go back to them with a complimentary product. I'm going to say this again, right? It makes your customer feel special, makes them feel happy, right? Sets you apart from the competition. And buyers who receive regular follow-ups are more than likely to upgrade. There are 10 things your buyers need. Write this down. Feel welcomed and appreciated. Feel welcomed and appreciated. Feel comfortable and put at ease. In the beginning, your buyers are nervous. They don't know what to do. They just excited that they signed up with you. But they need to know what the next steps are. What do you want them to do, right? Be treated with respect and dignity. Don't prejudge nobody. Don't prejudge nobody. Number 4, prompt, timely service. The faster you follow up, the better your outcome is going to be. Because we got an amazing, badass system, don't we? All right. Number 5, need assistance. Don't be afraid to give a lending hand, help. I know people are not tech savvy and things like that, but don't be afraid to give them a little hand. That little bit of effort of helping them will make them be put at ease, that they go, wow, I like working with you. And I'm going to keep working with you because you are there for me, compared to who I bought products from in the past that didn't even talk to me, didn't even send me an email, right? Number 6, to be able to trust you. This is important. When you sign up people, you want to make sure you're building that know, like, and trust with them. It doesn't come quick, but if you follow up with consistency, it will come. Number 7, to be heard and listened to. A lot of people like to talk about themselves, don't they? We hear elevator conversations all the time. I heard one just now on the way over here, But learn to listen and talk less. God gave you 2 ears and 1 mouth. Why do you think so? There you go. And number 8, to be understood. They want to be, aware that you are really listening to them, not just going, yeah, so when you going to go pro? How many of y'all been through that? Number 9, to be recognized. I love it when I actually get with a new customer and I recognize them for their accomplishments, even though they just signed up, and I go, tell me what you do in the past. What did you do? Oh, I'm a stay-at-home mom. Okay, cool. Oh, I used to be a teacher, a nurse, a doctor. Nice. You recognize them. Compliments are great. And number 10, to feel important. They're your customers. They're your buyers. They are important. So how do you build rapport with virtual communication? This is fun. Well, here's a question. How many of y'all got Skype? If I don't see any hands in here that ain't got Skype, y'all are behind with the times. Y'all need to get Skype today. Okay? How about Zoom? Okay, that's better. You got to have one of those pieces of platforms. They're great. Make sure you embrace virtual technology and start scheduling face-to-face meetings on a regular basis using Skype or Zoom. I do this a lot with my meet and greets. Every time I sign somebody up within the first 24 hours, I'm immediately on Skype phone with them, like Skype, and talking to them. And I'm going to share with you what to say. Let's move forward. Talk to your buyer and have a friendly, family-like conversation. Communicate with them as your BFF. When I came to Arizona for the first time, and I actually met some of you, like when I was walking in, didn't it feel like I knew you guys for a long time when we were talking? It felt like we were family. Well, guess what? We all family. That's right. Yes, we are. We're all family. And that's how you should talk to your buyers, is like their family. Give them that feeling and welcomeness. They will appreciate it. So, step number 3, send the welcome email. A lot of you guys are dying for this. Oh my God. You want to know exactly how Ace follow up? This is it right here. Here's the reason why you want a welcome email. It's the best method to make a good first personal branded impression of who you are and say, thank you, welcome to my team. How many of you raise your hand that got my welcome email? And look at y'all here today. See what follow-up does? Point guides and directs your new customer on their next steps and the sense of urgency to click through the email. There's a lot of important opportunities in there. You can just throw in there some things. Build and grow your community by including your own links to where you want them to connect with you on social media. Got a Facebook team group? Put a link in the welcome email. Got a blog? Link that too. Customers love to learn more about who they are doing business with. Are you guys learning, getting value from this? Yeah. Awesome. That's what I like to hear.